Now let us discuss a very common type of questions being asked in Olympiads. Solving difficult question helps you in solving easier questions. But questions are similar. So let us discuss a very common type of question. Fill the gaps which are related to the given figures. Here you are given two figures, figure 1 and figure 2. Both are cartoons, and here you have been given four questions. Question number A: difference between the number of circles in figure 1 and figure 2 is. So you can understand that here you need to count the number of circles in both figure 1 and figure 2, and then you have to find out the difference between the number of circles. So circles in figure 1, circles in figure 1. Let us count the number of circles in figure 1. So please, in such type of questions, start looking from one end. So we will start from the top end. You see, from the top end you first encounters two circles, the eyes, 1 2. Then as you come down, these are triangles, these are not circles. Then the fingers are circular. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So till now you have found 8 circles. So coming to the legs and foot, no, there are no further circles. The circles in figure 1 is 8. Similarly, circles in figure 2, let us count the number of circles in figure 2. Here again, as you start from the top, you see the cap is pentagon over here, 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 lines in a closed shape. This is a pentagon. So as you come down, you see there are two eyes, 1 2. So two circles, and then you can see there is one more circle. The face is also circular. It may happen that you may count the eyes, but you may forget about the circular face also. So you have to be a very good observer. You have to be very keen in observing shapes in such type of question. You may miss one or two, the whole answer will be wrong. Anyway, 1 2 3, two eyes and one face, so three circles. And again the fingers are circular, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So till now we have found 11 circles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. You see the buttons on the shirt of this particular cartoons are also circular, the red buttons. So till now we have found 11 circles. It's 12 13 14 15. So total we have found 15 circles. If you come down, no, there are no further circles. So in figure 2 there are 15 circles. You are asked to find out the difference. Difference means you have to carry out subtraction of the two numbers. So 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So this is the difference. 7 is the difference of the number of circles between the two figures. 15 minus 8 is 7. So the answer is 7 to question number A. Coming to question number B, total number of rectangles in the given figures is. So you have two figures over here, figure 1 and figure 2. You have to find out the total number of rectangles. So rectangles, we are talking about rectangles. Basically in such type of question, the requirement is that you have to know about shapes, what is a rectangle, what is a circle, what is hexagon, what is pentagon, and then you should have an eye for details so that you can count the number of such shapes in the figures and do any type of operations if that is asked in the question. So now let us figure out the number of rectangles in figure 1. Figure 1, starting with the from the top end. So you see the face is rectangular, so 1. Coming downwards, you see the legs are rectangular, so 2 3. So in figure 1 there are 3 rectangles. In figure 2, starting from the top, face is circular, we have already counted, eyes are circular. Again the shirt or the body of the cartoon is rectangular, so we can say this is the first rectangle. So coming down further, no, there are no more rectangular shape. In figure 1 there are 1 2 and 3. In figure 2 there is only one rectangular shape, so in figure 2 we can see 1. Total number of rectangles is 1 plus 3 is 4. So the answer here will be 4. Total number of rectangles in the given figure is 4. Talking about question number C, It says sum of the number of triangles in figure 1 and figure 2 is. Here one A is missing. So sum of the number of triangles in figure 1 and figure 2 is. So here you have to count the number of triangles in figure 1, figure 2, and you have to find out the sum. Sum means addition and difference means subtraction. This thing you have to know over here. So let's count the number of triangles. Again, starting from the top, the cap is triangular. So what is a triangle? A triangle has got three sides and it's closed in nature. Three lines are there which are joined to each other at the points called vertices. This already has been discussed. So this is the cap is triangular. So this is one triangle. The hands are triangular. 2, 3. The body of the first cartoon is also triangular. So 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth. So triangles in figure 1, the number of triangles, how many we have counted? I think it's 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 triangles in figure 2. Starting from the top, no, this is not a triangle. Please see that this is, the cap is not a triangle. This has got 5 sides while a triangle has got 3 sides. Face is also not triangular. Coming down further, the hands are triangular in nature. So there are 2 hands, so 2 triangles. The legs are triangles over here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in figure 2 again there are 4 triangles. Let us count again. Let us recheck, which you should do during the exams. You should recheck because you may have missed or you may have double counted any of the shapes. So please recheck while doing such questions in real exam. The number of triangles 1, 2, 3, 4. Figure 2 there are 4 triangles and figure 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 triangles. So total we have got 8 triangles in the two figures. So the answer is 8. Total number of triangles in figure 1 and 2 is 8. Coming to the question number D, the question being the numbers of which shape is 2 in figure 1 and only 1 in figure 2. So you have to find out the name of the shape. The name of the shape which is 2 in figure 1 and only 1 in figure 2. So for this question, again first taking figure 1, starting at the top, so the hat is triangular and hat is how many times over here? 1, 2, 3. So we have to find out the shape which is occurring twice in figure 1. So triangle is not that thing, is not that shape. Next we see a rectangle, the face is rectangular. So rectangle 1, 2, 3. Rectangle is also 3. So rectangle is not the name of the shape that we are looking for. Next comes triangle. We have already counted. On the rectangular face we have got circles. We have got 1, 2 and the fingers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So anyway, circle is also not the name of the shape occurring twice in figure 1. So rectangles we have counted, circles we have counted, triangles we have counted. Now you can see the feet over here. These are of what shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 connected lines over here. So this is called a pentagon. So how many pentagon are there? 1 and 2. So pentagon is somewhat like this, a closed shape with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 sides. This is called a pentagon. So there are 2 pentagons in figure 1. Pentagon, pentagon, and let us check whether it is occurring once in figure 2. So this twice in figure 1 and once in figure 2. So let us begin again from the hat of figure 2. You can see that the hat itself is a 5-sided polygon or 5-sided closed shape. This is a pentagon. It has got 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is again a pentagon. Let us see whether there are any other pentagon in the given figure. This is circle, eyes are circular, the body is rectangular. So we think there are no more pentagon in figure 2. So there is one pentagon, Pentagon, pentagon in figure 2. So we can clearly say that the name of the shape occurring twice in figure 1 and once in figure 2 is pentagon. So the answer is pentagon to question number D. Please practice such questions. Such questions are common in Olympiads. You have to have the knowledge of shapes. You should have eye for details so that you can see and count the number of various shapes in any given figure. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you.